Hey, what's up, fam? My name is Brehon, and I would like to welcome you guys back to the channel where we love to focus on our personal and financial development. Family, I hope you guys are having a phenomenal start to your day, and I hope your week has been amazing. Now, family, I get a lot of questions about the state of the market. Are we going to go lower? Should I sell my funds in my retirement account and go cash? Should I dump all of my funds in my 401k and 403bs? A lot of people are worrying about the state of the market. And let me tell you, removing your money from the market now could be one of the worst decisions you ever made in your life. And I'm going to tell you a story. Some of you have probably already heard this story before, but I had two guys who worked in my company. This was around 2008, right before the housing market crashed. Now, both of these guys had around $700,000 in their retirement accounts. The market crashed. Their retirement accounts fell to around 450 to 500,000. One guy said, "Man, listen, I'm done with the market. I made 500,000. I'm good with that. I never plan to invest my money in the stock market again." Right? And so this guy took his 500,000. He put it in guaranteed interest account, which was growing at maybe 1 to 2% per year, but he won't be losing any more money. So that was a safe haven for him. He was good. He was glad. And that's what he settled for. Well, the other guy, he kept investing 15% of every paycheck into the market. He continued to buy stocks. He continued to buy index funds. He continued to buy blended funds. He continued doing what has gotten him to that 700,000 and back to $500,000. Well, fast forward a little bit. This is around 2008, 2009 when it crashed, and around 2015 when both of those guys were up for retirement. Between 2015 and 2017, one person had about $600,000 in his account, the guy that put his money in guaranteed interest. But the guy who kept investing in the stock market, 15% of his salary, once the market rebounded, because the market always rebounds, when it was time for him to retire, he had about $3.5 million in his retirement account. And so there are people out here, I've seen so many so-called stock gurus, and they're talking about they're sitting in cash right now when the market is down. Listen, there are only two types of people that are sitting in cash right now. That may be your big hedge fund guys where they may have $10 billion in equities, and they may have $2 billion in cash. So they'll come out and tell you on television that they have some cash set aside. And then you have the novice investor, the guy that's been investing since 2018 when we had the turnaround and, everything was booming up and everybody was making money. Everything was green, right? So around that time, everyone became a guru, right? And so these guys been investing in the market 3-4 years, and they are considered to be some sort of guru, which I find ridiculous. But these guys are telling you that they're all sitting in cash. And I can be honest with you, I haven't wavered from my investment strategy. And so again, I continue to put 15% of my salary into index funds, a couple of stocks, couple of dividend drawing stocks, some blended funds, and just basically I continue for the long term investing. I will never ever stop investing in the market. Now, when you reach the age of retirement, 55, 60, 65, and you just want to ride off into the sunset, around that time, you may want to move your money to more conservative plays. But as of right now, we are full steam ahead into stocks and index funds, because we all know I've been investing in the stock market since about 2006, and I know that the stock market is a roller coaster and we are along for the ride. So just make sure that you buckle up and make sure you enjoy the ride. Okay? Never sell, keep buying, keep investing, and keep positioning yourself for great wealth in the future. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed the information. If you did, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and keep coming back for more wealth building information. Peace.